this is what I'm working with today. So I'm installing a fan. This is how it comes. So I'm gonna have to screw this in on this and screw this on right here. So it comes with some screws like this one. You have to screw and mount the fan properly. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then after I'm finished, I'm gonna put these clip inside here. And this is the bracket that will mount the fan on in the box, in the receptacle box. This is the bracket we're gonna use. This is how it looks after being set up. And this is the mount again. Most time the mount doesn't come, so you have to order it separately, but it comes in this one. So I guess this is the box that controls the dimming of the light and turn the light on also. This is how it looks after it's been mounted. So those 4 sides that you see, that's where the fan is gonna be mounted on or be screwed on. The hook that you see inside the fan, it's there to hold the fan while you work on the electrical wires. So this is how it looks after you connected the wires. And there you have it. Now we can turn the light down. We can turn the light up. We can change the light. If we want to. And a few other more options on it also. Let's test the fan now. And it's spinning now. Amazing. This fan is amazing with light. It's amazing. It wasn't hard to install either, but this one is amazing. And the breeze, it's good too. This is the remote that it comes with. So it has a remote.